Good morning, everyone. Today's we are going to discuss another topic, that is amino acid pathway. So, amino acid pathway is also known as amino acid synthesis in plants. Okay, actually, there are about 20 amino acids which are required by the plants for the synthesis of the proteins. Okay, how many amino acids? There are 20 amino acids which are required by the plants for the synthesis of the protein. Actually, the enzymes aminotransferase is very important as they can transfer an amino acid group to a keto acids, or they can also distribute the amino groups. Okay, actually the enzymes like transferase enzyme is very important for the transfer of amino groups into the keto acids, and they can also distribute the amino groups. Actually, based on chemical structure and on their precursors, all the amino acids are grouped into 5 families. For example, this is the 5 families which is converting into the amino acids, like based on the chemical structure and their precursors. All the amino acids are grouped into the 5 families. Number 1 is glutamate family. Okay, glutamate family has alpha ketoglutarate as its precursor. This is showing in this flow chart or pathway. Fine. And next one is the aspartate family. This is an number 2 family, aspartate family. Aspartate family with the oxaloacetate as its starting product, and the alanine, valine, leucine group. Okay, now come to the serine glycine. Serine glycine group and the family of aromatic amino acid with pyruvate, the 3-phosphoglycerate and phosphoenol pyruvate, and erythrose phosphate as the starting product respectively. Fine. The amino acid belonging to glutamate family are the glutamate, glutamine, proline, and arginine, and etc. These are the different family. Now come to the last family, that is amino acids like aspartate, asparagine, threonine, isoleucine, and methionine are the examples of the amino acids which comes into the amino acid groups in aspartate family. Okay, this is the general amino acid formation, and we have to say that based on the chemical structure and on their precursors, all the amino acids are divided into or the grouped into the 5 families. Number 1 family, that is the glutamate family. Number 2 is that aspartate family. Number 3, that is the serine glycine family, and the number 4th is phosphoglycerate and phosphoenol pyruvate family, and last one is the amino acid family. Fine. Now for the example of the amino acid pathway, we should take an single glucose which is converting into the pyruvic acid, or we could say that phosphoenol pyruvic acid and erythrose for phosphate. Okay, these are the glucose which convert into the 2-keto 3-deoxy 7-phospho D-glucohepatonic acid, which is converting into after the condensation reaction in the 3-dehydroquinic acid. This is another product which is come from the environmental reaction, and the 3-dehydroquinic acid is converting into the 3-dehydroshikmic acid, and 3-dehydroshikmic acid is converting into the shikmic acid after the enzymatic reaction. Actually, shikmic acid is an intermediate product in this pathway, and it is present in plants, fungi and bacteria, but not found in the animals. Okay. And the shikmic acid is reacting with any phosphate compound, and which makes any shikmic acid 3-phosphate, and shikmic acid 3-phosphate is converting into the true products, that is characemic acid, and characemic acid is converting into the two different type of groups like anthralinic acid and phenylpyruvic acid. Anthralinic acid is converting into the tryptophan, okay, and phenylpyruvic acid makes the phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is an amino acid and tryptophan is an another amino acid. After the reaction of that compounds like tryptophan and phenylalanine, it makes another compound, that is prephonic acid. Actually, prephonic acid is made from the phenylalanine. ओके, फिनाइलएलानिन से हमने बनाया प्रीफेनिक एसिड, एंड प्रीफेनिक एसिड is converting into the para-hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid, and para-hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid is converting into the tyrosine, which is an amino acid. Okay, the amino acid synthesis is completed into the plants. Okay, this is an amino acid pathway. Hope you understand. Thank you.